Very good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss about the syllabus of class 9th English. So let us see the syllabus. Your whole English syllabus is divided into three sections. First is reading section, second is writing and grammar section, and third is literature section. Reading section is of 20 marks, writing and grammar section is of 30 marks, and literature section is of 30 marks. It means your total syllabus will be of 80 marks. So today we are going to discuss about the third section, literature section. In this section you have to read two books, Beehive and Moments. Okay, in first book Beehive you have to read prose and poetry both, while in second book Moments you have to read only prose. So in this way I have told you that two books you have to read in literature section, Beehive and Moments. So today we are going to start the first book, Beehive, and the first chapter of Beehive is The Fun They Had, written by the writer by Isaac Asimov. Okay, so let us discuss about the first chapter, The Fun They Had. Before starting this chapter, I want to tell you that you know very well that modern technology is increasing day by day. Nobody knows that what is going to be new tomorrow in modern technology. It is getting increased day by day. So this present chapter is also all about modern technology. So we know very well we live in 21st century and the year is 2020. But this whole chapter has been set up in 22nd century and the year is 2157. This whole chapter has been set up in 22nd century and the year is 2157. While we live in 21st century and the year is 2020. So we can understand here this whole chapter has been set up in a future generation. It's a futuristic story because this story is about 22nd century. The main character of this chapter is Margie and Tommy. Two main characters are there. First is Margie, who is an 11-year-old girl, while Tommy, he is a 13-year-old boy. Only two main characters, Margie and Tommy. Both of them related to the future generation, futuristic story in 22nd century. Their school, their teacher are very different in the comparison of present year. Their school is just in a classroom in their own home and their teacher is not a man but a mechanical teacher, a computer, a robot. Their teacher is just a computer who is a mechanical teacher. That mechanical teacher is teaching them, giving them homework, checking their homework, giving them text and taking examination. So you can understand here that they belong to a future generation, a future story. Margie and Tommy, both these children. Margie, let us talk about first of all Margie. Margie, who is just an 11-year-old girl, she hated the school. She did not want to read because his mechanical teacher was taking his test again and again in geography. And she was performing worse and worse. Again and again, the mechanical teacher is taking her test in geography and she was performing very bad. She was not performing well. That's why the mother of Margie called one county inspector to repair the mechanical teacher, to repair that computer. The county inspector came and he saw the mechanical teacher and he started repairing that. After few hours, the county inspector repaired the mechanical teacher, repaired the computer. And the county inspector said to the mother of Margie that I have repaired it. Actually, the system of this mechanical system has been geared up and I have made it slowly now. Now this mechanical teacher, this system will be an average of 10-year-old girl. Now Margie will perform here very well. One day, Tommy, who was a 13-year-old boy, found a book. One day, Tommy found a book. The book that we read nowadays. That kind of book, he found a book in 22nd century. He became very surprised to see that what kind of book that is. Because Margie and Tommy both belong to 22nd century and they don't have any such kind of book. Their all books are telebooks. Their all chapters, all subjects, all pages are just in the screen of computer. They have never seen such kind of printed book. So Tommy became very surprised. He showed that book to Margie also and said, see, this is a book. Earlier the people used to read such kind of book. While nowadays we read our all subjects, all books in the computer screen. Tommy said that these kinds of books, these kinds of printed books are waste. Because after reading it 1 year, we have to throw it. It is just a waste. While our books are telebooks, it is in the computer screen. It cannot be wasted, it cannot be thrown. Margie became also very surprised. She became very curious to know something more about that kind of book. That what kind of book that is. Because that kind of printed book were very unique, unusual thing for both of them. Margie said to Tommy, please tell me something more about that book. What kind of book that is? Tommy said that I have found this book in my grandfather's attic. Tommy said, this book is all about a school. Margie said, please tell me something more about the book. Tommy said, this book is saying that earlier the people, the children used to go in a school building for their study, where different kinds of classes were there and for weaker students different classes were there. Tommy also said that they were having a teacher as a man, while we have today a mechanical teacher. But earlier the people used to have a human teacher. Margie could not believe it. She became very surprised. How is it possible? A human cannot be so smart in the comparison of a computer. How is it possible? Earlier the teachers were human. How is it possible? But Tommy said, yes, it is true. The children used to gather in a school building where they were studying all the subjects in the different classes. But they were having a lot of fun. Tommy said, earlier the children used to have a lot of fun because they were gathering there. They used to have their lunch, their bottles, and they were sharing all those things along with their classmates. They were having a lot of fun. While in our century, in our technology, we are reading in our own home in a single room. Our teacher is not a human. It is just a mechanical teacher. It is just a computer. After that, they completed their discussion and Margie's mother was calling Margie. Margie went into her room and her mother said, now it's your school time, go into your room and start reading. Margie went into her room and started her computer. At that time, computer was teaching her, but Margie was not paying attention now. She was thinking about those kind of school which were earlier existed. Margie was thinking about those kind of school where children used to gather and they were making a lot of fun, they were making a lot of friends. Margie was thinking about that and she was thinking about that kind of fun. So, my dear student, this is the end of the story. In this story, the writer Isaac Asimov has compared from present generation to the future generation, from present technology to a future modern technology. What kind of future will be there after 1 century? So here the story ends, where we have read about a future generation, a futuristic story about modern technology, which has been set up in 22nd century in the year 2157. And we have got here that two main characters, Margie, who is an 11-year-old girl, and Tommy, who is 13-year-old boy. So here I am concluding, and in the end of the story, in the end of the video, you will find some of the very important pages relating to word meaning, key points of the chapter and question answer. You must write the question answer in your copy, and you should also try to write a short summary of the chapter. Okay, thank you.